Find all values of a such that there are no x-intercepts for f of x equals 3 times the absolute value of x plus 1 plus a. So there's going to be an x-intercept if this is equal to 0. Let's solve for x. Let's subtract both sides by a and then divide by 3. Now the absolute value we know looks like a v. We want to see when there are no x-intercepts. Well, we know that this is always going to be greater than or equal to 0. And the negative a over 3 depends, it's going to be positive or negative depending on a. So you want this to have no solution. So if this is greater than or equal to 0, that means x plus 1 has to be negative. So this whole thing must be negative to get no x-intercept. Because if it's negative, there's no solution to this equation. And so when is absolute value of x plus 1 negative? Well, that's if the right side is negative. So you want negative a over 3 to be less than 0. Multiply both sides by 3. And then divide by the negative, we get that a has to be greater than 0. So when a is greater than 0, the right side is negative, which cannot happen since the absolute value always has to be less than, or it has to be greater than or equal to 0.